Hi, is the seat taken? No? Can I sit next to you? Nice, thank you. So, is this your first time camping? It is? Mine too. I've always been more of a party person in a house or a backyard than in the middle of a forest campground. But that report on new experiences will be released due next week, and I needed one more topic to have enough. Oh, you too? Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if that's why everyone else was here. Even the TA looks like they'd rather be somewhere else. You know, I think this is the first time we actually had a real conversation with each other. I mean, you do add on to my points during class discussions often, but I never got the chance to chat with you. Hey, it's okay. I know sometimes we have long walks to make between courses. There's no need to apologize. I just guess I never got to know you as well as some of the others here. You know, Josh over there I see at the bar every other week with his buddies, and Lauren helps me with my calculus homework, but I've never really seen you around much other than our cultural discussion class. Bars aren't your scene? Yeah, I kinda figured. You seemed more quiet when I would see you every now and then on campus. I love going out and meeting new people, catching up with friends, getting a few drinks, but it's not for everyone. I wouldn't mind if you want to study with me sometime, though. Hey, you don't have to apologize if you stammered a bit. I actually thought it was kinda cute. Aww, you look adorable when you blush. Okay, I'll stop. But I did wanted to ask you something. The rest of us wanted to play Truth or Dare later tonight. Would you like to join? Oh, come on. It'll be fun, I promise. No, there's nothing wrong with if you haven't played it before. You'll learn it as you go. Maybe? Yay! We'll probably start once we get done eating and cleaning up. Hi, Kitty. Sorry, but that look on your face is just too good to pass up. Did you get assigned a tent all to yourself? Yeah? I guess being the odd one out was worth it here. The rest of us are sharing tents in pairs. Well, except the TA who insists on being alone. Oh, by the way, we're about to start playing that game I talked to you about earlier. Are you in? It'll be a lot more fun than whatever you're reading on your phone now. Yeah? You coming? Oh, I'm so excited! And the others are so excited to see you. We're gonna have so much fun. Oh, it's time to come clean, Josh. I cannot believe you were convinced into doing that. What were you even thinking? Okay, fine. My turn. Truth this time. Do I like anyone here? Oh, you mean like. Okay. Yeah, I do. Hey, I do not have to say who. It is called Truth or Dare, not Truths. You only get one question at a time. Okay, now it's your turn. You've seen the others already, you get the point, right? Okay, so Truth or Dare? Truth? No, I'm not asking him that. Okay, I got it. What was the worst date you've ever been on? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. You said that kinda quietly. What did you say? Oh, come on. What happens in Truth or Dare stays in Truth or Dare. You've never been on one? Ever? Oh, okay. Moving on. It's your turn to ask the guy to your left. Oh, he wants the truth? Go on, ask him something. Hi? You left the game a bit earlier than the rest of us. I was just wanting to see how you're doing. Hey, don't take this the wrong way, but are you okay? I don't know, I guess when I first came in here, you weren't on your phone, you were just kinda sitting up and staring into space, like you were thinking about something. Was it about the game earlier? Dude, I'm so sorry if I brought up any awkward subjects for you. I didn't mean to embarrass you or anything. I just thought it would be something fun to ask. I'm sorry. You want to ask me something about you? Okay. Are you a boring person? Why would you think that? Yeah, I remember how the game went for everyone else. I mean, yeah. I guess some of the others definitely got spicier questions. You feel the game got more clean after I asked you that one question? Oh, sweetie, no, it's not like that. I guess we all just felt a little awkward after that, and we didn't want you to feel uncomfortable. Hey, it's okay. Can I give you a hug? Yeah? Okay, I'm just gonna sit here next to you. Oh, you feel so warm. We weren't trying to exclude you or make you feel like you were boring by avoiding certain topics for you. There's nothing wrong with being a bit more introverted or not having been on a date before. I was actually kind of like that back in high school. I felt like expressing myself towards others made me vulnerable to them in a sense. Like, the more I spoke, the more likely they would judge me. And as a result, I wasn't very social. But then, once I got to college, I realized that nobody else kinda cares too much about that stuff. Like, yeah, we all go through things we feel embarrassed about, but nobody's gonna remember it by the end of the week. So, do you feel a bit better? That's good. I like seeing that smile on your face. By the way, I've got something to admit. Remember back in the game when I said I liked someone? Do you want to know who it is? Of course I'm okay with telling you who it is. You're a bit quiet, but that's just because you're a bit shy, that's all. You're kind and sweet, and you aren't the kind of person who would tell rumors. Well, he's someone I've hung out with quite a bit today. Yeah, I mean you. Yes, really. You don't have to act so surprised. You know how cute I think you are. Oh, there's that stammer again. It just gets more adorable every time. It's okay, it's just me. You like me too? Oh, come here. Sorry if I hugged you too suddenly. Hey, the others have all gone to their tents by now. Do you think I can stay here for the night? Yeah, I can. Do you wanna just scooch over a bit? Yeah, there we go. Do you have enough space with me here too? Okay, good. I'm glad we were provided with some actually good sleeping bags. Plenty of room on their own, but we can both fit in just fine. Is it okay if we cuddle? Yeah? Okay, just turn over on your side. There we go. This feels nice. Wrapping my arms around you. Yeah, I'm the big spoon. You just fit so perfectly in my arms. Does this feel good for you too? I'm so glad to hear that. Yeah, I'm starting to feel a bit sleepy. I guess setting up all that gear is quite the workout. Let's just enjoy this moment together. But when we get back to campus, do you want to grab something at the food court together? Yeah? Yeah, let's get you that date, shall we? Okay. I can't wait. You know what? Good night, cutie.